What if your car could grip ice and snow like it's driving on dry road? Meet Pwag ServoStar, a next-level invention designed for extreme winter driving. These innovative snow chains mount from the outside of your wheel, meaning no struggle, no crawling under your car, and zero hassle. Built with a smart automatic tensioning system, they adjust themselves while you drive, ensuring maximum grip and stability at all times. Designed for vehicles with limited wheel space, Pwag ServoStar works even where traditional chains fail. With advanced traction technology and rim protection, it delivers safety without compromise. If you want confident control on icy roads, this invention completely changes winter driving forever.
What if lifting your car took seconds without any heavy effort? Meet the Ridge-Rider Airbag Jack, a powerful off-road invention designed for fast and effortless vehicle lifting. Unlike traditional jacks, this system uses compressed air to inflate a heavy-duty airbag, raising your vehicle smoothly in seconds. Perfect for sand, mud, or uneven terrain, it provides a wide, stable base that won't sink under pressure. Just connect it to your exhaust or air compressor and watch it do the work automatically. Built tough for extreme conditions, it's a must-have for off-roaders and emergency situations. If you want speed, safety, and zero struggle, this invention completely upgrades your recovery game.
What if your car could pull itself out without any winch or power tools? Meet Bushwinch, a revolutionary self-recovery invention built for extreme situations. Unlike traditional winches, this system attaches directly to your vehicle's wheels and uses your own engine power to pull you out of sand, mud, or snow. Bushwinch works without electricity, hydraulics, or permanent installation, making it lightweight, portable, and incredibly reliable. Just connect it, anchor the rope, and drive. Your car literally pulls itself to safety. Designed for 2WD, all-wheel drive, and 4-wheel drive vehicles, it's perfect for off-road adventures or emergencies. If you want independence, power, and total control, this invention completely changes how you escape tough terrain.
What if changing a tire took just minutes without any heavy effort? Meet Vivore Car Jack, a powerful invention designed to make roadside emergencies effortless. This electric hydraulic jack lifts your vehicle in just minutes with the press of a button, eliminating manual struggle completely. With up to 5-ton lifting capacity, it easily handles sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Built with smart safety features, it automatically stops at maximum height and provides stable, secure lifting every time. Many models even include a built-in tire inflator and impact wrench for complete tire changes in one kit. If you want speed, convenience, and reliability, this invention transforms the way you handle car emergencies forever.
What if you had a powerful winch that you could carry anywhere? Meet the Detail K2 Warrior Trojan, a portable electric winch designed for power, convenience, and total control. This compact system delivers serious pulling strength without the need for permanent installation, making it perfect for off-road recovery, trailers, and heavy-duty tasks. Built with a durable motor and strong steel cable, it handles tough jobs with ease while remaining easy to transport. The Warrior Trojan features simple setup and reliable performance, so you're always ready when you need it most. Whether you're working in the field or facing an emergency, this invention gives you professional-grade pulling power anytime, anywhere.
What if your simple drill could pull hundreds of kilos, like a powerful winch? Meet Worn Drill Winch, a smart invention that turns your everyday drill into a powerful pulling machine. This compact device uses your cordless drill as its motor, giving you up to 500 to 750 pounds of pulling power in seconds. With a durable steel cable, built-in brake system, and free spool clutch, it delivers smooth and controlled operation every time. Just attach your drill, hook the line, and start pulling. No heavy equipment needed. Perfect for loading trailers, moving equipment, or off-road recovery. It's lightweight, portable, and incredibly versatile. If you want power, convenience, and smart engineering, this invention completely redefines portable winching.
What if your tools stayed safe, organized, and always ready to use? Meet the Vivore Aluminum Toolbox 48-inch, the ultimate storage upgrade for your truck. Built with heavy-duty aluminum, it's strong, lightweight, and designed to handle tough job site conditions. The secure locking system keeps your tools protected from theft, dust, and weather. With its spacious interior, you can store everything from hand tools to emergency gear with ease. Easy to mount and built for long-term durability, it turns your truck into a mobile workstation. Strong, reliable, and practical. This is organization every serious truck owner needs.